Today, guys, we're learning how to be more attractive. Over the years, I've found that women are attracted to certain aspects of a guy. These are going to be things that you can change right now. And we're not focused on personality traits currently. We're talking about appearances. After all, that is the first impression. My name is Yosef Aberati, and this is An Average Gentleman. On my channel, I talk about fashion and lifestyle advice for all you gentlemen out there. If you're interested in learning more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So number one on our list today is something I see a lot of gentlemen struggle with all the time, and that is clothes that fit properly. I can't tell you how many times I've seen a guy wearing a pair of pants that look like they were painted on, or a shirt that looks like they lost 100 pounds and didn't even realize it. I don't think I have to tell you that clothes that fit properly make you look a lot more put together. With that being said, here's a couple of tips to make sure that the clothes you buy fit you properly. Number one seems like a no-brainer, but just go to the fitting room and try on what you're buying. I know I've definitely been guilty of skipping that step. And guys, whenever you're on a budget and you're shopping at a big box store like Target or even Walmart, I always tend to size down. That will definitely help with the fit of the clothes. Now, for you gentlemen trying to find a suit, I really have to urge you to go and get fitted at your local tailor. You don't have to purchase a suit from them, but go ahead and get your measurements and save that on your phone. On a side note, I like to stick to neutral colors whenever I'm picking out outfits, just because they go a lot further and they don't disrupt your closet or your wardrobe. Whenever you get funky patterns and things like that, you really can't wear that too often. And I found out that neutral colors tend to look better and are a lot more attractive. But well-fitted clothes can only take you so far, and they tend to work better with a fit body. And that leads us to number two on our list, and that is get fit and live a healthy lifestyle. I don't think I have to sit here and explain to you the importance of living a healthy lifestyle and exercising regularly. Not only does this help you visually look better, but it also helps your confidence, which confidence is absolutely key in being attractive. Not to mention the countless health benefits you'll get from working out and eating healthier. But please don't skip leg day, whatever you do. Now, you don't need a personal trainer in order to get fit. There's tons and tons of free workouts and meal plans on the internet. One of my favorite websites to find workouts for any skill level is Muscle and Fitness. If you want to see more videos about healthy lifestyle and working out, please hit that subscribe button and let me know down in the comments. While we're on the topic of your body, let's talk about your skin, bro. We need to implement a healthy skincare routine, and that is number three on our list. Your face is the first thing that people see whenever you interact with anyone. So whenever you have dry, blemished skin from not taking care of it, you definitely lose a few attractiveness points. Now, there are a ton of kits available for you to take care of your skin, but if you follow just really two steps, that is exfoliating the dead skin, getting that top layer of grossness off of your face, and then moisturizing with something with SPF or sun protection in it, then you're gonna be way ahead of the game. Two products that I really enjoy using are Jack Black and Kiehl's products. I feel like they just have a great value and quality. Listen, now that our skin and face is looking super sexy, guys, we're going to number four on our list, and that's some facial hair. Now, you don't need to be able to grow the burliest beard in the world. Just take care of what you've got. Keep it well groomed and maintained. If you're struggling with hair care on your face, go to your local barbershop, let them trim you up, and then use that as a template for the next time you try it. Studies have shown that men are more attractive whenever they have facial hair. Next up is something that a ton of men have never even tried. They always say, oh, that's too feminine. Oh, I'm not doing that. But number five on our list is get a manicure. Listen, I think having clean and well manicured hands is essential to being more attractive. I don't think anyone wants to be touched with rough, crusty hands with dirty fingernails. And trust me, people are looking at your hands almost as much as your face, but they're way more likely to touch your hands than your face. After all, the word man is in manicure. So what about that mop on top of your head? Number six is condition your hair. Listen, we talked about moisturizing your skin. Well, conditioner is like moisturizer for your hair. Not only does it make your hair look and feel silky smooth, but it's also gonna help you have a healthier scalp, and it's gonna make it easier to style your hair. Listen, you don't have to condition your hair every single day because a little goes a long way. And who doesn't like to see and touch a nice head of hair? Hey guys, listen, I even got a bonus tip for you. Now this seems super simple, but I walk around all the time and I see these super smug looking dudes and I'm just like, man, smile. And that's the bonus tip. Just walk around with a smile on your face. You're automatically way more approachable. And as a bonus to our bonus, you may be able to impact someone else's mood that day. Because it's pretty hard to be mean to someone or upset with someone or cold towards someone if they're smiling at you. All this comes from experience. Yeah, bro, I know you have a killer jawline, but be real, you look a lot more pleasant with a smile on your face. We have talked a lot today about how to be more attractive, guys. Did you learn anything? Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just hit that subscribe button down below this video. Also, check out my Instagram for more inspiration on outfits. I want to ask you guys, what techniques are you going to try out from this video today? Let me know by leaving a comment down below. Thanks everyone, this has been Yosef with An Average Gentleman. Have a great day.